Hello guys, it's me again, and yesterday I made a video about me trying to maybe restore the iPhone. And right now it is 12:16 in the morning, right there. So let's see the results of the phone. Right off the bat, what you can see is a lot of the salt stuff came off. A lot more dirt came off. So that's good. That's really good with all the salts coming off. The back. I don't know. Doesn't seem to be that dirty anymore, but still a little dirty. It's kind of foaming right here. Wait, am I zoomed in? Okay, no, I'm not. Alright, so let's turn this over. Okay. Well, right there. Front doesn't seem any different. I really like to clean this out right here. Just kind of. I think I'm just gonna prop the camera up there. Move this over here. Maybe I should get another plate. Alright, let's see. Let's see. Right here. I probably shouldn't do that. You guys probably don't want to see that. How about this? Let's take this out. Yeah, a lot of salt's actually coming out. I think it's salt. Just put that in there. And then let's maybe try to... Nope. Nope. Okay, let's try this. 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 And this. And then let's maybe just kind of... Most of it's on the floor. Well, this is the remains of the paper plate. It's flabby, I guess. Alright, well, let me clean this up real quick. Alright, maybe I should use vinegar to get all the initial... Nope. Really? Sorry about that. It's my brother. Alright, well, let's see. My brother really walked into the room and farted. Oh, welcome to my world. Vinegar. That's not gonna work. It's barely any vinegar in there. Olive oil. Red wine vinegar. I've never heard of that. I wish I had more vinegar. That would make everything fantastico. Maybe I should. I don't know what to do. Well, I think what I'm gonna do is just kind of. How about this? I'm probably gonna crop this out if I can. I'm not good with editing. As you can see in none of my videos I edit. The only thing I really do is just zoom in. So if I can, I might cut this part out. But if I can't, I'm just gonna talk, so I'm not just sitting here like. So yeah, I guess I'm just gonna talk. Well, like I said in my last videos, I think I'm gonna try to do more videos with Dominic. Because Dominic was really excited. He wants to make more videos with me. So, comment down below if you want me to actually make more videos with him. Sorry guys, I literally just woke up. And then I'm just checking out the results of the phone. When I saw the sand stuff, I was actually kind of getting a little excited. Because maybe some of the sand was actually coming off. But no, it's not. I might as well just do this. And then we can just... But yes, I guess some of the sand is coming off, but not a lot of it. Let's try doing this. If I put my phone, not my phone, if I put the phone in here. Alright, let's try flipping it over. Because this side is really the side that needs cleaning. Yeah, this side really doesn't. Oh, okay, there's just something on my phone. Alright, well, I'm gonna end this video. Wait, actually, what is this? Okay, it's more foam. Alright, well, I think I'm gonna end this video off here. I'll see you all tomorrow. Each day I will report the phone until it's like 100%. And, sorry, I'm making tea. I will make a video every day on the results of the phone. This phone isn't really, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to restore it that well, but, yeah, I'll make a video every morning when I wake up to kind of show you guys the results. And I'll see you all, you dudes, in the next video.